An essential accessory for your long journeys on the road, the Tusa A6 tire inflator. Let's unbox it and have a look inside. If you are enjoying my videos, take out the time to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Check out the equipment I use and links in the description below. The Tusa Air compressor is a great accessory for long car or bike journeys. Compact, lightweight, and high-performing, it's incredibly user-friendly. With sturdy construction ensures durability. The modern digital display with lights simplifies pressure monitoring and adjustment. With 4 adapters included, inflating items is a breeze. Backed by a 2-year warranty and excellent customer service, Tusa prioritizes customer satisfaction. The 12-foot long cable cord provides ample reach. However, some downsides exist. The 12 volts charging point doesn't fit properly. Alligator clips for alternative use would be helpful. And the display placement is in the wrong direction. It should be inverted. If Tusa provided a soft cloth cover and hard case for storage protection, it would be perfect. That doesn't overshadow the overall excellence of this air compressor. In my opinion, it's the best tire compressor on Amazon. I look forward to Tusa's new accessories, given their dedication to quality and innovation. Thank you for watching, and see you the next time.